Hello, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Happy Vlogmas Day 27, guys. How is everyone doing today? I hope you are doing great, but before we get started, let me just say, to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. Well, I have a shout out today, and the shout out goes to a loyal subscriber by the name of Taquita. Taquita, thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber. I truly appreciate you. All right, let's get into this video. Okay, so you know, for the whole month of December, we are talking about featured soap of today. So every day for the month of December, I give you a featured soap. And the featured soap of today is called Cheers Sexy. And Cheers Sexy is made with champagne or glasses. You see that up there? And it also have soap embeds with champagne embeds, glasses. And it's called Cheers Sexy. And the fragrance is Sex on the Beach Fragrant Oil with white keratin clay. And the ingredients is as follows: organic coconut oil, distilled water, olive oil, organic coconut milk, castor oil, organic shea butter, argan oil, avocado oil, white keratin clay, fragrant oil, glycerin, and vitamin E. And that's called Cheers Sexy. All right, so we are going to talk about today shower steamers. Do you know what a shower steamer is? A shower steamer. A shower steamer is something that you put in the back of you while you take your shower, and then you inhale the fragrance oil that comes out of it. So I will make, the first ones we are going to make is menthol. So that's going to help you open your sinuses up when you decongesting and you're not feeling well with a cold. So we are going to make a menthol shower steamer, okay? And the things that you need to make your shower steamer, you are going to need citric acid. Okay? Citric acid. Put the light on, guys. All right, citric acid. You're going to need a sifter. Okay? You're going to need an empty bottle because you need to put water or your essential oil or your witch hazel in here. So you're going to need witch hazel or water or essential oil, one or the other. You are going to need I have mine in the bag because it's already open. You're going to need baking soda. Okay, so we have baking soda. We're going to need our citric acid, which I have here. You need your menthol crystals. I have my menthol crystals here. You're going to need some witch hazel, water, or essential oil of your preference. And we are going to use Crimson Sparkle Mica. We're going to use just a touch of this mica, okay? Just a touch. And of course, in order to get this shape here, you are going to need bath bomb molds, okay? Bath bomb molds. And this is what a bath bomb mold look like. This is the large bath bomb molds. So they come in two. And we're going to use just 1/2 to make our shower steamer, okay? So those are bath bomb molds. All right, so let me get my notes and let's talk about shower steamers for a while and give you the quote of the day. So we talked about the things we needed, right? I gave Taquita a shout out of today. She's a loyal subscriber. All right, so They're good for energy. They help you to relax and help you to feel better when you're sick, okay? A shower steamer is great ways to add a little aromatherapy when you're not feeling well or you just need to have a pick-me-upper, okay? So you're going to, like I said, place your shower steamer on the floor of the shower, opposite of the shower head, so behind you, okay? And let it melt slowly so you can breathe in all the goodness. So this one here is Pretty in Pink Shower Steamer, handmade natural aromatherapy, pink grapefruit essential oil. Okay, and that's Pretty in Pink. So we are going to do, I think I'm going to name it either Just Breathe or Feel Better, our menthols, all right? So let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, keep it real. What's the quote of today? Keep it real. That's the quote of today. Let me talk to you guys for a minute. A lot's been going on here, right? A lot's been going on. Well, the holidays is over. We're getting ready to come into a new year. I hope you didn't go broke for one day. I hope you're returning things that you don't need, that's unnecessary. I'm hoping that you enjoying your family, creating more memories, which would be great, you know? Take my glasses off and lift you up for a minute so y'all can see me. Creating memories, which would be great, you know? So, get all of your ingredients, because we are going to make some shower steamers. And guess what? I am going to give you the recipe for this shower steamer, okay? My gift to you. So what do you need again? We need citric acid, because we'll do it on the next video. You need citric acid, okay? You need your baking soda. You need Witch Hazel, water, or your essential oil. We're going to use a little bit of mica. We have my menthol crystals, because we're going to do the one that's good when you're not feeling good. And you also going to need a shifter to sift. You don't need any clumps in your shower steamer. And of course, you need your bath bomb molds. All right, guys? Got the quota today. Thank you again for my loyal subscriber, Takita. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. Love you always. Mwah. And I see you in my next video. See you. We're getting ready to make some shower steamers, okay? Come on. Make sure you come back. Happy Vlogmas Day 27. Love you guys. See you soon.